Title: Welcome to Healthy Kitchen, where we show you how to cook delicious, heart-healthy meals right in your own home. Today, we're going to share some simple yet nutritious recipes that will keep your heart happy and healthy. Let's get started. To begin, it's important to choose fresh and wholesome ingredients. Opt for lean proteins like chicken or fish, plenty of colorful vegetables, and whole grains. These ingredients are packed with nutrients and low in saturated fats. Now, let's create a heart-healthy main course. Start by marinating your chicken breast in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and your favorite herbs. Grilling or baking the chicken will help retain all the flavors without adding unnecessary fats. Now, while the chicken cooks, let's prepare a side dish that's bursting with nutrients. Saute a colorful medley of bell peppers, onions, and zucchini in a small amount of olive oil. Not only is this a delicious combination, but it's also a great source of vitamins and fiber. Lastly, don't forget about whole grains. Swap out refined options for brown rice or quinoa. They're rich in fiber and lower your risk of heart disease. Prepare them according to the package instructions for a perfect fluffy texture every time. And there you have it, a complete, heart-healthy meal made right in your own kitchen. By choosing nutritious ingredients and maintaining healthy cooking practices, you can take control of your heart health. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching Healthy Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more heart-healthy recipes. Remember, a healthy heart begins in the kitchen.